Well, hello there. It's me, BeatriYT. Right now you're watching a time-lapse of me making a little city. So I've decided, this is day one of me trying to make a whole city. And for every single view on this video, I will have to place one TNT in the city. I'll probably put it under the city because it's easier like that, but still, this is first uploading for 25 subscribers. So thank you guys so much for 25. We got 1,000 views on one of our videos, but yeah, that's the whole pitch of the idea. And yeah, here's a time lapse of me doing it.